Today I'm making a protein crumble that's going to be perfect to use in place of beef. I'm going to make this from scratch, and then I'm going to make it in some recipes, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with some lentils. These are cooked lentils, and I'm just going to do a quick mash on these lentils. I mean, I'm not looking for a puree. I'm going to add some vital wheat gluten. Some nutritional yeast. Some chickpea flour. And some mushroom. And I'm using some shiitake mushroom. The mushroom needs to be thinly sliced. And minced. Add the mushroom. Okay, so this is the protein base, and now we're going to add some flavoring to it. Some onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, some black pepper, and some salt. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix these dry ingredients all together. And there's going to be some moisture from the lentils, that's okay. Okay, so let's mix together some vegetable broth, some soy sauce, or tamari sauce, or an umami blend like I have here. Some apple cider vinegar, some oil, and some tomato paste. Alright, so I'm going to whisk this together. Now I'm going to combine the liquid and the dry. I'm just going to mix this with a fork. It's going to take some time here. So we got this mixed up. I'm using a fork so that way it doesn't make it doughy. And I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. So that way the gluten activates, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so now at this point I'm going to just take the mixture and break it up into smaller pieces to make sure it's more of a crumble, and I'm going to just cook it gently for about 10 minutes to create more of steam, and then I'll bring it back to a bowl. Okay, so the meat crumble just finished steaming. I'm going to let it cool down a bit, and then I'm going to saute it up a little bit in order to get the browning. Okay, so the meat crumble is done. I'm going to try it out. That's delicious. It's flavorful. This is great for any dish that you would put beef in. It's flavorful, it's slightly chewy, but it's soft, it's tender. This is really good. So there we go, there is the vegan crumble that you can use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in some recipes.